Hi fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little bit of a haul outside because for the first time in Maryland it's not awful outside. It's usually like 100 degrees and you don't want to go outside, or it's 90 degrees and pouring rain. But today is nice, so here we are. And the other day, maybe like 2-3 weeks ago, I went to Hobby Lobby, which there's a Michael's out here, which used to be my go-to for Craftlace, but figured I'd check out Hobby Lobby since I've never been to a Hobby Lobby before. And I found this. Do you know what that is? It's my Stitch. So I was really excited. I ended up spending way too much money. And I got a couple of different things as well, just because I want to do more with this. So a couple of the things I got, just jumping right into it because YOLO. And I'm so sorry. This is Jesus. I should have introduced. Say hello, Jesus. Okay, so I got glow in the dark Craftlace, and it's just like a variety pack. It's got the blue, yellow, green, and apparently it all glows in the dark, so we'll see if it works. And then I also got tie-dye, because who doesn't love tie-dye? And it has, some of them have more like pink hues, some of them have the green or the blue. And I've already done like one lanyard, so I'll show you like what I've been doing with that. And then I also got the transparent version. You can see I've already dug into this, and that was part of why I wanted to make this video, is because I already started making lanyards with this, and I was like, I need to make a video before I use it all up. So there's clear, orange, yellow, pink, all those colors. And then, yeah, I've kind of already started getting into them. I don't remember which package this was from, but I just really like the colors. I really love this purple, and I am really excited to work with it and make something. If you have any recommendations on what you think the purple should go with, let me know. I also got, now for the first time, maybe like 10 years ago, I would work with beads, but I never got really excited about beads. But I saw this cute little variety pack and figured that I had to do something with it. So it's almost like marbly beads, so figured we'd give that a shot. And then this was on sale, and you know I love a good deal. I got this huge box of beads, all sorts of colors and whatnot. So yeah, lots of stuff going on here. I'm gonna put that here. And then kind of just what I've been playing with and already making. Yeah, you can see I've dug into it. Just made this. And a little bit of that action. I really love this stitch. It's definitely by far my favorite. And then I did this zigzag wall. You can't really see that it's a zigzag. Maybe if I hold it back a little bit. Zigzag wall with the tie-dye. So I did the clear down for the side strings, and then for the main string I did the tie-dye, and it came out really cool, super glittery and sparkly. I might put this on my backpack or like purse or something for school. Yeah, and that's what I have so far. I just started this one. It's just a little wall, but like the colors are all in weird places. So yeah, fun things happening over in the house over here. And then, you know, besides that, also working on the garden. My habaneros are finally taking, which is cool. Or like they're growing peppers. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little haul from Hobby Lobby. Guess how much I spent? I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, please enjoy the rest of your day, and stay tuned for more. See you later. Keep blooming.